Hi students, this is third part of the curve surveying and also in fourth modulo. Okay, see here. We will make two familiar components of or else parts of the curves. Okay, see here. This one is radius. Previous classes I told to you and also discussed what is curve, what is radius, what is chord. Okay, this is also radius and this one is tangent and this one also tangent. Okay, this is chord and this is curve. Okay, this one is A, this one is V, this one is B point. Okay, this one is a T1 tangent 1, tangent 2 and D point and C point. Okay, next from C to D distance is mid ordinate. Okay, next O is vertices or else a center point of the curves and also E is distance from here to mid ordinate. Okay, so V, this is delta, no, that is deflection angle and pi is intersection angle. Okay, and PC is point of curve and PT is point of tangent and intermediate of these curves will make half distance. Total this distance is L. From half of this L by 2 and L by 2. See, L by 2, L by 2 and L by 2. Okay, then it makes an angle that is delta. So this is total, it is delta and half of it is delta by 2. Okay, we will discuss about back tangent. So see here, first one is back tangent. So back tangent is the AT1. See here in this figure, back tangent is AT1. So what will tells the tangent previous to the curve is called as back tangent or else first tangent. Which one it is? C. AT1 is back tangent. Okay. Next definition is forward tangent. Okay, forward tangent. So T to B is forward tangent. See here in figure, T to B is forward tangent. Okay, next definition is point of intersection. Okay, point of intersection in the figure. See here in the figure, it is point of intersection. See here, this one is point of intersection. So that is nothing but the V vertex. So it is point of intersection if the two tangents will makes or else will meet at one point is called as point of intersection. Okay, next one is point of curve. Okay, where it is point of curve? See, it is point of curve. So point of curve is nothing but the, see, it is point of curve. So it is the beginning of the curve when the alignment changes from tangent to curve. Okay, see here, when the alignment changes from tangent to curve, it is point of curve. Next one is point of tangent. So point of tangent is nothing but the, It is the end of the curve where the alignment changes from curve to changes. Where the alignment changes from curve to tangent. It is nothing but the point of tangent. Next one is intersection angle. Okay, intersection angles is, see here, pi is intersection angles. So the V dash B, see here, or else the angle between the tangent AV produced and VB external. So this angle is intersection angle. The angle V dash VB between the tangent AV, between the tangent AV and VB, okay, is called as intersection angle. Next one is deflection angle to any point. So see here, it is deflection angle. Deflection angle is nothing but it is the angle at which point of curve between the back tangent and the chord from point of curve to point of another curve. It is nothing but the deflection curve. See here, it is deflection angle. Next one is tangent distance. Okay, see here, it is tangent distance. Where it is tangent distance? T is nothing but the tangent distance. It is tangent distance. Okay, it is nothing but it is the distance between point of curve to the point of intersection. Okay, next one is external distance. See here, which one is external distance? From here to here, it is external distance. Okay, it is a distance from the midpoint of the curve top. Okay, it is nothing but the external distance. Next one is length of curve. Okay, see here, length of curve. It is the length of the curve from point of curve to point of tangent. Next definition is long chord. It is a chord joining to the, see here, it is a chord joining to the point of curve to point of tangent. Mid-ordinate. Also we discussed mid-ordinate. It is nothing but the M. It is from the midpoint of the long chord to the midpoint of the curve. Next one is C. C it is normal chord. Okay, a chord between successive regular station on a curve. It is nothing but the normal chord. Next one is right hand curve. Okay, right hand curve. If the curve deflects to the right of the deflection direction of the progress of a survey, it is called as right hand curve. Next one is left hand curve. A curve deflects to the left of the direction of the progress of survey is called as left hand curve. Okay, so these all are definitions are related to parts of the curve. Okay, next concept is, next we have to solve some problems. Okay, it is based on elements of curve, designation of curves. Okay, we will solve the problem session. So I will read first problem. The signage of the intersection of a two straight, it's having a deflection angle of 50 degree is 1680.50 meter. If the radius of the curve is 450 meter, calculate the following. So first one is tangent distance. We have to calculate length of the curve. We have to calculate signages of point of curve and point of tangent. We have to calculate length of the long curve. We have to calculate degree of curve. We have to calculate apex distance. Have to calculate mid ordinate. Also have to calculate. So first one is which what he asked before solutioning. So we have to mention datas. So radius is 450 meter, curve intersection is 1684, or else chain intersection is 1680.5 meter, and deflection angle is, so this is deflection angle. So and r is 450 meter. So curve intersection is 1680.5 meter. Okay, let's what he asked for first one, tangent distance. Okay, tangent distance formula is T equal to R tan delta by 2. R we know, tan delta already he mentioned it. So by using of this formula we will get the tangent of length. Next one is length of curve. Okay, length of curve formula is L equal to small l equal to pi r delta by 180. So I will put pi and I will put r value and I will put delta value, and I will get the length of the curve, that is 392.7 meter. Next one is chainages of point of curve. Okay, chainages of point of curve is nothing but the chainage of intersection. He is mentioned already in question. So ci minus of tangent distance, it will give chainage of point of curve. Okay, next we have to calculate chainage of point of tangent. So chainage of point of tangent is nothing but the formula chainage of point of curve plus length of curve. Okay, so by using of adding these we will get the chainage of point of tangent. Okay, next one is length of long chord. So length of long chord is capital L 2r sin delta by 2. So I will put values 2 same as it is, r value and sin and delta values. So I will get the length of long chord method. Okay, next one is degree of curve. So degree of curve formula is dA equal to 1718.9 divided by r. So by applying r value we will get the dA, that is nothing but the degree of curve. Next one is apex distance. Okay, apex distance is, and apex distance formula is E equal to R of sec delta by 2 minus 1. So by using of all values I will get the apex distance. Okay, next one is mid ordinate. So mid ordinate formula is M equal to R of 1 minus cos delta by 2. So by using of R value and delta value I will get the mid ordinate. Okay, next problem is a circular curve has a 200 meter radius and 65 degree deflection angle. What is its degree by arc definition and also by chord definition? Also calculate these all: length of chord, tangent of length, length of long chord, apex distance, mid distance. E, M, capital L, PT and small l. Okay, by arc definitions. So arc definitions, dA formula is 1718 this formula, and already he mentioned R. So by using of these all value I will get the dA value. Okay, by chord definition formula is see what he mentioned. So I will get the 15 into 2, so that is 30 meter. I assumed that is 30 meter. I'm having a 30 meter. I am having a chord, so I will get the 15 into 2. Okay, so by using of r, I will put r value, and also definition, and also formula is 15 into 2 divided by 200 into 180 divided by 5. So we will get the DC value. Next, length of the curve. So length of the curve formula is L equal to pi r delta by 180. So r value I will put and delta value I will put. So I will get the L. Okay, same tangent length. So tangent length I have to calculate. So tangent length is T equal to r tan delta by 2. And also same length of the long chord. That formula is 2r sin delta by 2. So by substituting all these values, and I will get the length of long chord, tangent length, and next one is apex distance, that is E. So E formula is E equal to r sec delta by 2 minus 1. So I know r value, and also sec delta is 65 degree minus of 1. I will get the apex distance. Okay, next one is mid-ordinate distance. So by using of this formula, I will get the mid-ordinate distance. Okay, next problem is, for the given data, the intersection angle of a 2-degree curve is 180 degree. Compute the various elements of a simple circular curve. Okay, see here. See here what he mentioned, D equal to 2 degree. Okay, D equal to 2 degree, and delta equal to see here, delta equal to total from 180 minus to 120. See here, delta equal to total, it is 180 degree minus of this 20. So I will get the 180 minus of pi is nothing but the 60 degree, that is delta. Okay, first R formula is like this. I will put the R formula, and D is 2 degree curve. So I will get the R value, and also T formula is tangent length, that is R tan delta by 2. So I will put R delta value, R value, and I will get the T, and length of long chord pi R delta by 180. I will put R and delta value, I will get the length of long chord, and also curve, that is 2r sin delta by 2. So I will get the R value, and also put the delta value, and I will get the L value. Okay, same apex distance, that is E. I will put the formula like this. Okay, I will put the formula, and I will get the value. Same mid-ordinate distance, I will put this formula, and I will get the mid-ordinate distance. Okay, next one is, fourth problem is, two tangents intersect at a signage of a 1320.5 meter, the deflection being 24 degree. Calculate the following quantities for a setting outer curves of a radius is 275 meter. Find the tangent length of the long chord, length of the curve, signage of point of curve, and also apex distance and worst sign of course. Okay, so first one is So he is mentioned directly answers only. So fourth questions in this, you people have to solve. Fourth question you have to solve only direct answer he mentioned. Okay. And also same like fifth one. Okay, the setting out the railway curve, it is the found that it must passes through a point 80 meter from the intersection point and equal distance from the tangents deflection angles 30 degree. The chainage of intersection point is 300 chains. Calculate the radius of curve, degree of curvature and chainage of beginning and end of the curvature. See what he given in question, delta equal to 30 degree, L equal to 30 meter. Okay, it is standards. What designation of the curve already we know, L equal to 30 meter and chainage of distance is. So see here, it is 30 only and it is 30, total it is 900 degree. Okay. So chainage distance is 900 meter and apex distance is E equal to R sec delta by 2. Already in question he mentioned 18 meter, that is apex distance. So by using of apex distance we have to calculate, we have to find out R value. So by using of apex distance we have to solve the apex distance and we will get the R values. And same thing tangent length, tangent formula is T equal to R tan delta by 2. So already we know delta and previous solution only we got R values by using of these all. So we will get the tangent and same also D value and also length of the long chord we have to solve it. And point of curve, so point of curve, it is point of curve formula is point of intersection and also that comes answer, no, that one, it is nothing but the point of curve. Point of tangent is point of curve plus length of the long chord. Okay, so tangent length, point of curve is nothing but the point of intersection minus of tangent length. So we will get the point of curve. Okay, point of tangent is equal to point of curve plus length of the long chord. We will get the point of tangent. So this session is completely familiar. We have to solve this session is only problematic session and also please refer fourth problem and also you have to solve yourself, that is one assignment is, so you have to solve yourself and only reference answer I mentioned it. And thank you.